Hello, everyone. Okay, aside from videotaping, I actually do make software products for children. Oh, but it's gonna. Oh, okay. Gotcha. Let's see here. My company, 360 Kids, is based in Boston. We are now in our 22nd year of business. We've been working with Rosetta Stone to help develop their new children's line of language learning products.
Lingo loves to play with toys. Will you help them collect more toys? Let's play.
Okay, so one of the amazing things about this app, and this is Lingo Letters, it's available for free currently, and it's referred to as a Spanish exposure product for 3 to 5-year-olds. I'm going to need to actually probably pull this to speak into the microphone because there's voice recognition built in, which is quite a challenge for preschoolers.
You do whatever you want.
So, okay.
I can hear you. Do you want to play? When you see this, speak up so they can hear you. Do you want to play?
Yes, I want to play.
Okay, let's play.
Okay. Now there's some, we have a philosophy as a company, no matter what you introduce to a child in the beginning, try to find a success, try to make something right, try to make a child succeed.
In Spanish, the word for dance is
Baila.
let's get him to dance.
Say, baila.
Baila.
So in the earlier part of this demo, or in this app, trying to build successes with young children, we have a great degree of flexibility in what a child says, but it has to be
Let's
kind of in
dance
the ballpark.
fast.
So I'll give you
Baila rápido.
an example.
Baila rapido.
During kid testing, we found all kinds of really interesting ways that children would pronounce Spanish words. Almost everyone was unfamiliar with it. If there was more time, I'd love to show kid video with this too.
Let's dance to the left.
Now, I think it's
Say,
wrong.
a la izquierda.
Something else, something else.
Okay, so it's got a false positive there. And as the user plays this more and more upon multiple visits, we increase the challenge of what we're listening for. It has to be more particular. Let me
Say,
see.
a la derecha.
This is not the correct response.
You're good, Scott.
Like, we are encouraging success here. You know it.
Todos bailan.
Okay, kid, fast enough.
Try that again.
Pickles.
Say, todos bailen.
Pickles for Darren.
All right, well, you know, this always works testing it off stage.
Thanks for playing.
So this is one set of Spanish words that are offered, and as you continue to progress through the app, there's more and more words that are asked. And then there's a kind of a side activity as well here. There's a whole big story behind these characters that we hope to publish in a blog article sometime in the next few weeks.
Tap these lingos to make lots of bubbles. Toys are stuck in the bubbles. Will you help? Drag a letter bubble to the toy that starts with that sound.
Okay, so when we did this, it's like, well, we need lots of bubbles because you know there's going to be a 3-year-old boy that's going to want to do this. And we've got plenty of footage, testing footage to prove that.
Starts with that sound. Violin starts with the sound.
So capital letters there, lowercase there. I'll do the
Alligator
response.
starts with the alligator. Starts with the sound A.
there are 5 rounds in this here.
Robot. Starts with the sound. One more
What's
time.
interesting here, kind of the phonics-based learning, some of the science behind it, we're very familiar with kind of the phonics-based approach to reading Bob Coffey from Stanford, which was, what was kind of the guiding principle behind all this voice.
Starts with the sound. One more to go. Turtle. Starts with the sound. You got them all.
Okay. And once you go through around there, I believe,
Let's see all the toys you have.
one of the things through testing we found is that some of the children like to go back and visit all the things that they've collected
Turtle.
in that example, and then maybe brought to the main menu to pick another series of games. Plenty to share afterwards if you'd like about voice recognition and the challenges with young children. But thank you.
Give him a cheers.
Here, see your toys.
This is called Lingo Letters, Rosetta Stone Kids Lingo Letters. I'm going to turn it down. Oh, thank you for turning it down. Questions?
Any dogs or questions?
Sorry?
Someone have a response? Do you have anything you'd like to ask them?
Yeah, so we'll do some lasers and I'll do duster magic, but if you give me just a minute to get over to my camera.
No, I'll do it. All right, I can do it.
Okay.
Yeah,
Cool.
I know how to operate one of these things.
I don't fight holy wars over tools, but just to share this is unity too. But I think the finer point of distinction is this is C++. This is not JavaScript. This is not Java. This is not Move. There are many different ways of using unity. Okay, so are we all set?
Are you going to frame the lasers?
You got it there, Ward?
Yeah, we're on it. We're on it.
Just Duster Magic?
Duster magic, be cool.
Well, Scott, we look like we got a solid trending 7, 8-ish, definitely over the 5 range and below the 10.
No, I see some range there. Thank you.
Yourself?
7 or 8. Yeah. Appreciate it. Thank you very much.
All right, thank you guys.